Hey value traders, crude oil might be ready for another short.
Valutrades.
I'm Brad Alexander, and in today's Market Blast, let's take a look at dollar yen, dollar CAD, pound dollar, the NASDAQ, and WTI. In our last video, we spotted this price action bounce off the upper trend line and the overbought stochastic oscillator on WTI and Brent Crude. Well, look what happened if you were paying attention. The price of crude oil fell to the lower trend line and has come back up, and we see the stochastic oscillator is overbought again. However, wait for confirmation before selling WTI or Brent. Also last week we saw a huge rise in the major US indices based on good news from the US Federal Reserve. Well, all three, the NASDAQ, the S&P 500, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average, have stalled at resistance, and we see each stochastic oscillator showing overbought. The US dollar is weaker as well, with price action breaking double tops and double bottoms and following clear trend lines. Dollar CAD shows a temporary weaker US dollar, with price action falling towards the lower trend line and the stochastic oscillator looking oversold. We also might be heading into a consolidation pattern with a symmetrical pennant, so keep an eye on this. Also watch the price of WTI, as this almost always affects the Canadian dollar. We are seeing some JPY strength, and we will monitor this rare occurrence this week. But be aware, dollar yen is at a key level of support at 149. MACD is looking very bearish, but we will have to wait for a break below before selling to the next lows at the 148 area. If we move out to the daily chart, we see that price action might be trying to break the lower trend line, and the stochastic oscillator hasn't been this oversold since July. We see a steady decline in MACD and a recent breakout, but don't be fooled. We have seen this before. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Valutrade Signals, and the link will be in this video's description below. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel and register on the Valutrades website to get notifications on new content as it happens. That's all for now. Happy trading with Valutrades, and we will see you next time. CFDs and FX are leveraged products, and your capital may be at risk.